This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about holidays. What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas because it's a time for family gatherings, giving gifts, and delicious food. I also enjoy decorating the house and feeling the festive atmosphere everywhere.
Do you prefer traveling during holidays or staying at home?
I prefer traveling because it gives me a chance to explore new places and take a break from my daily routine. However, I also enjoy relaxing at home on some holidays.
How do people in your country celebrate national holidays?
In my country, national holidays are usually celebrated with parades, fireworks, and family meals. For example, on Independence Day, many people watch parades and enjoy picnics outdoors.
What do you usually do on public holidays?
I often spend public holidays with family or friends. Sometimes we go out for a meal, watch a movie, or just relax at home. It's a good time to recharge.
Do you think holidays are important? Why?
Yes, holidays are important because they give people a chance to relax, spend time with loved ones, and recharge. They also provide an opportunity to celebrate traditions and create lasting memories.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe your favorite singer. You should say who this singer is, what kind of music they sing, why you like their music, and explain how they influence you.
One of my favorite singers is Adele, a British artist known for her powerful voice and emotional songs. She sings mainly pop and soul music, and her lyrics often focus on themes like love, heartbreak, and personal growth. Adele's ability to convey deep emotions through her songs is what makes her stand out for me. Her voice is so rich and captivating that it instantly draws you in, making her music unforgettable. I first discovered Adele when I heard her song, Someone Like You, on the radio many years ago. It was so touching that it gave me goosebumps. Since then, I've followed her music closely and enjoyed every album she has released. One of my favorites is her album, 21, which has popular songs like Rolling in the Deep. These tracks show off her amazing voice and share stories that many people can relate to. What I admire most about Adele is how genuine she is. She doesn't need flashy shows or follow trends to get people's attention. Instead, she focuses on her talent and stays true to herself. For example, during her concerts, she often shares personal stories, which makes her feel relatable and genuine. Her confidence and humor also add to her charm, making her an even bigger inspiration for her fans. Adele's music has a special place in my life because it helps me process my emotions. Whether I'm feeling happy or sad, her songs provide comfort and understanding. Her success story inspires me to believe in hard work and self-belief. She's not just a singer to me, but a role model who motivates me to pursue my passions while staying true to who I am.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of music and singers. Why do people like listening to music?
People enjoy music because it helps them relax, express emotions, and feel connected. For example, calming music like classical tunes is perfect for unwinding after a long day. Music can also bring back memories, like hearing a childhood song, or lift their mood, making it a universal form of entertainment.
Do you think a singer's personality affects their popularity?
Yes, a singer's personality can impact their popularity. Fans often admire singers who are humble, kind, or relatable. For example, Adele is loved not just for her music, but also for her down-to-earth nature. Similarly, BTS members are popular for their positive interactions with fans and their messages of self-love.
How has the music industry changed in recent years?
The music industry has changed a lot due to technology. Streaming platforms like Spotify and YouTube make music more accessible, letting fans discover songs from all over the world. Social media also allows singers to connect directly with fans and promote their work instantly, like when they host Q&A sessions or share personal updates that make fans feel more connected to them.
Do you think music can influence society?
Yes, music can influence society by spreading messages and bringing people together. For instance, songs about social issues, like climate change or equality, can raise awareness and inspire change. Music also plays a big role in cultural movements, such as protest anthems or national celebrations, uniting people across different backgrounds.
Should schools encourage students to learn music? Why?
Yes, schools should encourage music education because it helps students develop creativity, discipline, and teamwork. Learning an instrument or singing can also boost confidence. For instance, performing in a school concert helps students overcome stage fright and feel accomplished. Additionally, music can improve focus and even enhance learning in other subjects.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.